Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
How are you doing?
I am doing good. Thanks.
Have you ever visited a zoo?
Yes, I've been to many zoos.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I love dark chocolate.
Do you like to cook or bake?
I prefer baking desserts.
Have you ever seen a shooting star?
No, I haven't witnessed one yet.
What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate abstract art.
Do you enjoy going to the spa?
Yes, it's so relaxing.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but I'd like to try one.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I loved family picnics in the park.
Do you have a favorite app on your phone?
I use Instagram a lot.
Have you ever gone mountain biking?
No, but it sounds adventurous.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I like cheddar cheese.
Do you enjoy stargazing?
Yes, especially on clear nights.
Have you ever visited a haunted house?
No, I'm not a fan of spooky places.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I enjoy pepperoni pizza.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I work out regularly.
Have you ever gone fishing?
Yes, I've been fishing a few times.
What's your favorite childhood game?
I loved playing hide and seek.
Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Yes, I find them very informative.
Have you ever gone kayaking?
No, but I'd like to try it.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like a good cappuccino.
Do you like to watch the sunrise?
Yes, it's so peaceful.
Have you ever visited a castle?
Yes, I've been to a few in Europe.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I enjoy whole wheat bread.
Do you like to go to art galleries?
Yes, I appreciate fine art.
Have you ever gone rock climbing?
No, but it seems challenging.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like a classic BLT.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I love seeing animals.
Have you ever gone snorkeling?
No, but I'd like to try it.
What's your favorite type of salad?
I enjoy Caesar salad.
Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I love watching live performances.
Have you ever ridden a motorcycle?
No, I haven't tried it.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti with meatballs.
Do you enjoy going to the library?
Yes, I like to read there.
Have you ever gone horseback riding?
No, I haven't had the chance.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I prefer milk chocolate.